All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their 3-pack of USB-C folding fast chargers and USB-C to Lightning cables. There's a 3, 6, and 10-foot cable in here. Nothing really on the outside, just fast charge to 480 megabits per second, safer, and a 6-pack iPhone, every brand ever. Well, since what, 6, 7, whenever they switched over to Lightning. So let's open these up. That's it for the box. So, nice little instruction guide here. English side somewhere. There we go. There's the English side. And we have 1, 2, 3 folding USB-C chargers. That's what they look like folded down. That's what they look like extended. That's the front, nice USB-C. And then this is USB-C to Lightning, a longer, the 10-foot USB-C to Lightning. And then lastly, 7, 10, and the 3-foot USB-C to Lightning. So really something great if your whole family is using these types of devices, especially if you have iMacs or anything like that. You need these kind of cables all the time currently because they haven't just went USB-C to USB-C, of course. I think this is a great buy to be able to get 3 power adapters, or if you're wondering about the output, this is a 3 amp power adapter. So more than the 2 amps, definitely will give you a pretty quick charge, and you can't beat a 3 cable package deal. So thanks again to this company for sending this to us, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.